Jake, you were talking a little bit about last time, like intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation. And I feel like, David, for you, especially in regards to your spiritual leadership, where you have volunteers that aren't getting any extrinsic motivation. You're not giving them a paycheck, you're not giving them promotion, you're not giving them anything like that. But to your point, you are giving them recognition. You are seeing them. You're telling them that they're great and they're doing a job well done. And if we could go back to your college days of some of that biochemistry, you're just gushing them with serotonin. Like, we hear a lot of stuff about dopamine, right? Like going after things, and like, you know, the drivers of dopamine, you have your negative drivers like the alcohols and the cigarettes and the dings and the bells and the whistles, but you also have the, I get to accomplish something and I get a dopamine hit, but you don't hear a lot about serotonin. And serotonin is a chemical that is actually released when you feel like your place in the group is solidified and get moving up. If you feel like you're a part of a group and you're moving up in that group, perceived by the others on you, because humans are just these communal creatures, and we just are. The reason why we're as successful as we are today is because we get along and we work as a group. And when we feel like we're moving up in that group, our brains just gush serotonin. And you're giving them that. You're giving them that internal, that intrinsic, that drive that they are really yearning for. And the evidence is in how many folks are on antidepressants, these SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, right? They don't have enough recognition. They don't have enough people that are seeing them, enough leaders that they perceive as on high, looking at them and said, you can do what I can do. People that looked like God, right? Like, the Lord is with you, Gideon, you mighty warrior, when they're sitting in a wine press and they feel like so much less than. Like telling them, like to your point, Joshua 1:9, where haven't I commanded you to be strong and courageous? Telling you what God says about you as opposed to what you say about you. Or what David says about you as opposed to how you feel in your spot. That's what people are yearning for, and that's why I think recognition is so powerful.
Yes, yeah, and that's why I wanted to mention it, because it's not only a tool, but it's a human thing to do. I mean, if you know people, when you recognize them, it just brings happiness and joy, and they makes them feel, man, I'm doing something right, and it just elevates them. It puts them up there, you know, and that's just the human thing to do.